Hey everyone, it's Jay here at the Aimless Cook. As you can see, I'm almost at that point where I'm going to be cutting my own hair. But I'm here at the restaurant. We're making orders up for people just for delivery. Doing some big orders for some of the stores that are around that need food. So basically we've taken that on. We're doing a few of that. So just hanging out here in an empty market. I'll show you. Hang on. So as you can see here, I'm behind my counter here at the front just eating some food I have. Looking at an empty market. Normally it's closed today, but I mean, usually when we're open lately, it's kind of like this anyway. So it's the new reality basically. So at the moment we are basically opening later, doing like a noon to 8 kind of thing to maximize the dinner delivery traffic through the apps. So stuff like the DoorDash, Skip the Dishes, and Uber, taking advantage of that as we are seeing that slowly more and more people are getting used to this and starting to order online to deliver to their homes. And thank goodness you guys are staying home. Because I mean, well, we all have to do our part, and I mean, if I really had the choice, I would be at home as well. But you know, you have to pay the bills, you have to pay the rent, and as you know, restaurants do not have deep pockets to fund this kind of thing. So, and it's really scary out there right now because you've seen a lot of people who put years and years of work into basically what's their baby dream project, and a week or two can be reduced to nothing. So it's been a real disaster for a lot of people have been, but you know, at the same time there's been a lot of support in the community, and a lot of people that have been trying to be resourceful, creative, and trying to do different things to maximize the type of revenue and to change really their whole business model that fast. So really, it's crazy. I did write a blog post about it because I felt like ranting, but I really wanted to put out there some suggestions about different things that I've seen different restaurateurs doing to try to make some money during this. And you can see that at our Eats of Asia website at eatsofasia.com, and hit the blog there and check it out if you need ideas. Other than that, I just wanted to touch base with you all and say hello. I hope you're staying safe, and that we have, I got a new video coming up soon. We just got to finish the intros and tie up some loose ends, but that will be out this week. So hope to talk to you all soon, and stay safe.